Say yes to this. This is not only the next step in your reality, but this will change all of reality. See, when you honor the smaller self, when you honor the fear, when you honor the excuse, you keep the world the same. You keep the fears in your body stored inside versus released. You keep your codependency, or you keep your avoidant patterns. You don't encourage anything else to change. And you don't open up new energy of possibilities, which the world would suddenly mirror. So when you find yourself saying, I really want to do that,